38 years back, when I was in Raipur in Madhya Pradesh, then Madhya Pradesh, now Raipur is in Chhattisgarh, the capital city of Chhattisgarh. I was taken by my students to see the movie Amar Akbar Antony. And in one single day, I think we saw 3 movies and Lawaris and one more movie I forgot. In all these movies, Amitabh Bachchan was there. The tallest figure of the Indian movie. The most powerful, the god of the Indian film. I looked at Amitabh Bachchan, I never liked his looks. Dharmendra was most good looking. Of course, Vinod Khanna and Rishi Kapoor, very, very good looking. But Amitabh Bachchan, non-stop, without giving up hope, has moved the people. Raipur, 1983, 2 movies. Then I saw Sholay, Amitabh Bachchan's movie. Yes, the man continued his march, shaking the entire country, shook the entire people. He is God not only for the Indian films, because majority of the poor and the middle class watch films, and he is the God of the poor in India, God of the middle class in India, and he kept his style till now. Harivansh Rai Bachchan, born on 27th November 1907 in Prayagraj, died on 18th January 2003 in Mumbai, was an Indian poet and writer of the Nai Kavita literary movement, romantic upsurge of early 20th century Hindi literature. He was also a poet of the Hindi Kavi Sammelan. He is best known for his early work Madhushala. He is also the husband of social activist Teji Bachchan, father of Amitabh Bachchan and Ajita Bachchan, and grandfather of Abhishek Bachchan. In 1976, he received the Padma Bhushan for his service to Hindi literature. Harivansh Rai Bachchan, the father of Amitabh Bachchan, said, "Until you succeed, जब तक सफल ना हो, until you succeed, sacrifice your comforts and sleep. नींद चैन का त्यागो तुम. Sacrifice your comforts and sleep. Don't run away from the battlefield of struggle. संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़कर मत भागो तुम. संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़कर मत भागो तुम. Don't run away from the battlefield of struggle. Without an effort, you can't win accolades. कुछ किया बिना ही जय जय कर नहीं होती. कुछ किए बिना ही जय जय कर नहीं होती. People who try never really lose. कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. हिम्मत करने वालों की हार नहीं होती. Harivansh Rai Bachchan's this poem, when I thought of speaking today, my children came and told me, this one we studied in our 10th standard in Karnataka. I said, can you repeat it? And they said like this. I can't do it by heart. I'm just reading. जब तक सफल न हो नींद चैन का त्यागो तुम. That means until you succeed, sacrifice your comforts and sleep. संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़कर मत भागो तुम. Don't run away from the battlefield of struggle. कुछ किए बिना ही जय जय कर नहीं होती. Without an effort, you can't win accolades. कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. People who try never really lose. हिम्मत करने वालों की हार नहीं होती. Until you succeed. Yes. Sacrifice your comforts and sleep. When Harivansh Rai Bachchan said sacrifice, I could look into Amitabh Bachchan, the tallest figure, the god of the Indian movies and the god of the Indian poor and the middle class. Yes, it was his sacrifice means never gave up, never gave up. There were many good looking and better actors than Amitabh Bachchan, but where are they? They are not to be seen. Until you succeed, Amitabh Bachchan followed exactly this one poem till the last drop. Take a sweep, not a drop to be spilled up. He followed it till the last. Until you succeed, sacrifice the comforts and sleep. In your passion for one particular thing, there is nothing to succeed or sacrifice. Because in your hardest work, you don't need even a coolie doesn't need even a place to sleep. And I was an example when I was working the Goshala, in the cows, cleaning the cow dung and washing the cows, giving birth to cows and all those things. I automatically slept there on the floor. Then my workers saw and they brought us more pillows. I continued to sleep there. Sleep came automatically, and children were asking me, how could you sleep like that within 2 minutes? Until you succeed. जब तक सफल ना हो नींद चैन का त्यागो तुम. Until you succeed, sacrifice the comforts. He said sacrifice. You don't need to sacrifice because the name sacrifice never comes in your hardest work, and you can feel that in Amitabh Bachchan. Yes. Sacrifice comforts and sleep. Comforts and sleep. It happens wherever you are. That is the comfort. In the poorest of the poor, in the middle class, or in the richest community, or in the political field, anywhere, Amitabh Bachchan has proved his father, Harivansh Rai Bachchan, succeed, sacrifice the comforts and sleep. Yes, sleep came. Even now, he says, Amitabh Bachchan sleeps. Sometimes I can't sleep because of the shooting. It was not a sacrifice, it was a passion to hit it. Don't run away from the battlefield of struggle. Sangarsh ka maidan chhodkar mat bhaago tum. Sangarsh ka maidan chhodkar mat bhaago tum. Don't run away from the battlefield of struggle. In the whole discourse from the last nearing 600 days, I was trying to tell the smoke. The moment you see the smoke, people decide to go to take a rest or take a coffee, and they will never see the fire. That when the smoke comes, that is the struggle. Don't run away from the battlefield of struggle. That is the battlefield, Harivansh Rai Bachchan. Don't run away from the battlefield. That is the time people are trying to burn you alive, roast you alive. You are thinking you are going to die, but if you just passionately get involved in that particular subject, roasting and dying is a beauty, is a tasty. Feel, smell, taste, touch and see. You don't run away from such tasty food. And Amitabh Bachchan, don't run away from the battlefield of struggle. Sangarsh ka maidan chhodkar mat bhaago tum. Sangarsh ka maidan, don't run away. Don't run away seeing the smoke, because a little more forward you see the fire, you get burnt in the fire. Have you not seen the gold melting in the highest temperature, and for the people to make in different varieties? Without an effort you can't win accolades. कुछ किया बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती. Without an effort you can't win accolades. People who try never really lose. कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. हिम्मत करने वालों की हार नहीं होती. The courageous people never lose, and they do not have to think the word winning and losing never come, because it just follows you. Like Mahatma Gandhi, when he walked, he never looked whether it is going to win or lose, because he's going right in the center of the battlefield. Center of the lovers' field is called his people, where there is winning and losing. He just walked and millions walked behind. Millions of rupees falls into you. You will not even have time to count it. Like Mother Teresa went to Canada after giving the lecture. People got up and went, and sisters went and told Mother, but nobody paid. You should at least ask them, please donate. Mother just winked her eyes. When she came back to Calcutta, checks came. They didn't have space to give it. Basket loads of checks kept coming, yes, flowing. You just have to do your work. Get involved. Get involved in your family, in your wife, in your family, in your joint family. Family tree stands strong.